If you are looking for a creamy second course, you have found it. This pollo alla crema is perfect.
È saporito assai.
Let's start with the main character, the chicken breast, which has already been cleaned. I need to cut it into cubes about 2 centimeters big. Set those aside for a moment and let's work on the leeks. Remove the toughest parts, then create a shallow cut and remove the 2 outermost layers. Cut that in half and slice it into rounds about half a centimeter thick. Let's set that aside and over to our champignons. Already cleaned, simply cut them into quarters. If they're too big like these, just cut them a bit smaller. Then to sear the chicken, pour some oil into a pan. When that is warm, throw in the cubed chicken. Now that the meat is seared, I can add the mushrooms and leeks. Season it with a little chopped rosemary, which works really well in this dish, and a pinch of salt. Give that a nice stir and let it cook for about 10 minutes, and we can start making our creamy base. In a saucepan, melt some butter. Add a pinch of salt and then pour the flour in all at once. Start mixing it with the whisk immediately. Don't worry if the roux is still quite liquidy because now we are going to add the cream. Cream, not milk. The cream should already be heated up. Then, start mixing again. And this is the texture of our bechamel that we will pour on top of the chicken. Keep stirring that for a couple of minutes until the chicken becomes creamy. It is ready for plating. Creamy? I think it looks really creamy. Now time to taste it to see if it's good.
È saporito assai.